and welcome to this new video. So today we'll be talking about for a new strategy how we can promote CPA offer. We will be focusing on single opt-in offer today. Okay, just come to offer world and after login, just you have to come. Yeah, offer world is a marketplace where buyer and sellers come together and they search for their need accordingly. So just type in search bar search was that PayPal. Okay, after typing this you will get a display of many offer. Here you have to search for single opt-in. Yes, this is the one via PayPal $1000 gift card single opt-in. Try to focus on single opt-in offer. This is also a of PayPal card €1000 single opt-in. Okay, if you are try to promote this offer, this is the first one. You will be getting $2.75, and this is offered by private CPA network. It's a good network. Just when you will click here, you will be redirected to their official page privatecpa.io, and here you have to just sign in, or at first you have to create your account, create publisher account. You have to just mm, it, you have to just create publisher account. Try to start promote your offer. You can also choose this one, affiliate leads single opt-in. This is also offered by PayPal. Try to promote PayPal one. This $1000. This is offered by Max Bounty. Shine in there, and this is PayPal 1000 gift card. Private CPA. This is also offered by private CPA. So shine in here, register yourself and start to promote. Okay, if you have a CPA grip or CPA leads account where PayPal is also offering this kind of offer, so you can also do from there. Just search for PayPal gift card and try to promote from CPA grip platform also. Okay, now let's move on to the strategy. Come to Instagram. If you have account, it's fine. If you don't have, just create one. It's easy and simple. After creating, just search for PayPal. After searching it, you have to click on this thing. Okay, first one, you will be landed to this page. Here you are able to see that 398,000 people are following PayPal, and they are doing regular post. Okay, come to this. You just have to see which post has high engagement. We will be yes we are giving away we will be seeing this one. Just click here. After clicking here, see 598 people have liked this uh, post. Just come here. After coming here, you will be seeing this these many people are the leads. Okay, just try to message them. Here what we will do, we'll yes, yeah, we can go with this account. Click to follow. After click on follow, just message her. Okay, message. Click on message. I have written here a message where just copy and paste. See, hey, uh, here we will be typing her name. IOJ Sina Ola D. Because of COVID-19, many people have lost their job. So PayPal is offering uh, free $100 gift card to first 100 people. Kindly get your PayPal e-gift card link in my bio. Just you have to send her. Okay, just you have to send her and she will see that thing. After seeing your message, she will Obviously, uh, when you send 100, when you send your message to 100 people, at least 20 will surely sign up through your offer. Okay, so imagine if you will send 100 and 20 have signed up through your link, then imagine how much money you can make. Okay, how much amount you can generate from these kinds of free leads. Okay, just doing message to these those who have followers people. Okay, see, imagine 2.75, imagine, into 20. Okay, so how much money it is. Just you have to do this thing and be consistent, and try to be consistent and regularly follow your uh, this thing. Again, treat it like a job, and you have to do it, means do it. Any, how much time it will take, that doesn't matter, but you have to do it. Okay, if you want to make money online, you have to be consistent. Okay, just crush it. Thank you.